Hello again, everybody. This is Reco McDaniel, President and CEO of Nove, and we're back. This is video number 3 of our 30 for 30 financial challenge. That's right, we're going to help 30 families over the next 30 days start their journey to financial freedom. Now, in video number 1, I can't recap long, but I gave you 2 financial objectives that everyone in this country must meet. Your current lifestyle paid for by your labor and your future lifestyle paid for by your investments. You learn something has to work, just not you. And at some point, you're going to get tired of working. At some point, you're not going to want to work. At some point, you shouldn't have to work. But you have to have future investments in place so one day you won't have to work. Now, in video number 2, it was about one of the 4 financial challenges that keep you from meeting your financial objectives. It was about inflation, the silent income killer. It goes into your income and how it drops every single day. Why? Because it's called free enterprise. Business owners can increase the cost of goods and services when they feel like it. Now listen, you learn it's not a bad thing, but it's only bad if your income is limited and you can't outpace inflation. Listen, very few people calculate inflation when they're trying to get ahead of the curve financially. And it's something you must understand, and it's something that we teach you and how to do it. So today in video 3, we're going to be talking about challenge number 2 out of those 4 financial challenges. Now, if inflation is the silent income killer, man, oh man, then this would be considered the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Well, what is it? Taxes. That's right, taxes. Now, did you know that most people try to budget their way out of a financial mess and you just can't do it? You know why? Because the number one expense you have are your taxes. For example, if you make $60,000 a year, the government takes $20,000 off the top for taxes. If you have a W-2, then you take home $40,000. Now, where are you seeing another $20,000 come off the top of your paycheck? It's not your clothes. It's not your shoes. Ladies, it's not your husbands. Fellas, it's not your wife. It's not eating out. $20,000 went out the door before you even saw it because your biggest expense is your taxes. So basically, if you're a W-2 employee and you work for the government, actually 1/3 of the year because they take 1/3 of your paycheck. Now, I don't know about you, but when I learned that from January to April, I worked for the United States government, that's when I fired my boss 15 years ago at the age of 21 years old because I realized I can't work for my boss and the government at the same time. Now listen, I'm not telling you to quit your job, but what I am telling you is to understand that the government has carved its way into your life with taxes. Now this is not about tax evasion, all right? This is about tax minimization. In other words, you already probably are paying property taxes, then you got sales taxes, then you got ad valorem taxes, then you got liquor taxes, then you got state taxes, then you got federal taxes. You're paying all these taxes, but did you know that your income taxes are the one tax that you can control? Why is that? Because it's your income. So what we do is we teach strategies that the wealthy use to minimize their taxes. Again, the wealthy minimize their taxes. In fact, most of the wealthiest people in this country pay lower tax rate than some of the poorest people in this country. So what I want you to do is I want you to be able to text me today, and we're going to give you some information, not hype, not something illegal, not magic, but strategies that work that they don't teach us in school. So the key word for today is min tax. That's M-I-N-T-A-X, min tax. That's short for minimize taxes. To get access to these strategies and to keep more money in your pocket by minimizing your taxes, text me personally. The key word is M-I-N-T-A-X to 678-379-7211. Again, text min tax to 678-379-7211 to start finding out how you can minimize your biggest expense. Again, if you already have our Income Shifting membership, this video is not for you. We're going to help 30 new families over the next 30 days start their process of obtaining financial freedom. And as always, until then, remember, empty pockets never hold anybody back. It's only empty heads and empty hearts that can do that. Encourage yourself and encourage somebody today to change their life. And I look forward to speaking with you very soon. God bless.